abakori emirimo abaitanĩtie 1000 ya mase kambuni ya Telkom Kenya nigo barabaisa guchigusiria emirimo yabo magega y'omusi y'obwekiombe getendeta mawasiliano iga Kenya omoske Ezra Chiloba goteba buna tibari gochia kori new license ya Telkom Kenya egekogera nigo babwata madeni H billion kianda netini gutainye Chiloba boigo niga menta buna ekiombe ki American Towers nigo kegochigotiga kubwatesia Telkom Kenya egentokera chikogera abateja ba Telkom Kenya basirio bakoreri gwe kambuni iyo ya Telkom ekiombe gia Telkom boigo nigo kianyarire ko bagekwaegwe notice yogwakana madeni ya jene serikali korende banyale kwa bakombia ti notice echo.
Are you aware of any plans to sell all shares, both GOK and Ilios, from Telkom to another private entity?
We have been requested to look for investors. We are involved in that process, and we have been getting requests for proposals and also interested people who want to do due diligence. We have actually opened a data room for people to do due diligence. Two shareholders are talking between themselves. If there was a valuation of the company, then we would have been involved. But there was no valuation of the company. What they did is to agree that, yes, I want to get out, you can take my shares for free, and there is a loan that I had given that I would want you to pay me back. What was the value of the loan as per the audited account, and that's the figure which was agreed.
The outstanding dates or debts in relation to other service providers, for example, American Tower Limited and Safaricom PLC. This is likely going to compromise the quality of service and experience of Telkom Kenya customers. License to operate is now under threat in terms of renewal, given the outstanding debt to the authority estimated at 9.4 billion as of the date of this submission.